Hi, my name's Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Now isn't this a beautiful day? It's so beautiful in fact, I'm going to go and make myself a lovely smoothie in my kitchen. So please come and join me.
So here we have a lovely ripe banana, look at that, isn't it good? And some lovely fresh strawberries, all in season now. We've got to pick all the little green bits out of the end. I've got a bit of squirty cream. I know I shouldn't, but you know, I'm going to treat myself. Some semi-skimmed milk and a few little sprinkles to put on the top. Firstly, we start by cutting the banana into sort of rough chunks. We can't put it all in one go, it's far too big. That'll do. Then pop the banana into the container there, followed by our strawberries. In they go. A drop of milk, not too much. On with the lid, and then we're going to give it a good old whiz. Now, that is looking good, isn't it? Pour this into our glass. I can't wait. Followed by a little bit of squirty cream on the top. A few sprinkles. Poke a straw in, job done. Look at that. It's great, isn't it? Now for a taste test.
Cheers everybody. Ah, so delicious. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.